Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean or Mustang09, and today I have a new video for you and a new car, truck, SUV. Not sure what you want to call this thing. It's pretty sick. It is my wife's new 2020 4Runner TRD Off Road Premium. That's a whole lot to say. It's a very nice vehicle. We've been looking at these for quite some time. The opportunity presented itself and it was on the lot, so we picked it up. My wife's lease ran out, and so it kind of gave the idea, hey, let's get that car we've always wanted, something that we can bring to the channel, have some fun with, take off-roading, like out here at the lake, and come with the family. So we've got Shirley and Mom.
Hi.
And then over here in the water, as you guys saw in the intro, we have Rex. Hey, Rex. Hey, we've never taken him to the lake, and he is loving it. So a few cool things about this. Like I said, it's the TRD Off Road Premium. We'll break that down real quick. The TRD Off Road, and let me just preface this first. I'm not a Toyota expert. I'm learning to become one. I know that it's a very important thing in this group of vehicles. Everybody knows Toyotas. So it's my first Toyota. Well, our last car was a Lexus, so it's kind of a Toyota, right? But anyways, back into it. TRD Off Road. It has four-wheel drive, and it has the crawl and multi-terrain features as the TRD Pro. It just doesn't have the same suspension. This is a 2020, so it does have the KDSS suspension. And then the Premium just leads into it having leather, it has the moonroof, heated seats, so pretty cool. One thing that I love about Toyota is that the back window rolls down, as you guys saw earlier as well. Rex goes in the back, loves it, sticks his head out the window, and just has the time of his life. Some future plans that we have for it: wheels and tires, those are at the house. So I'll go ahead and throw a sneak peek of that in this video right here. Since we already have wheels and tires, you know, the boys over at Headlight Revolution hooked it up, and we're getting rid of these halogen lights. They are projectors, so they're still nice. They're just that yellow hint. They're not as bright as LED. So we have some Morimotos we're throwing on this. I present those now. And then to fit the tires, we're gonna do a suspension lift. I'm not quite sure how much. I'm thinking between 2 and 3 inch range. Don't need to go crazy with it. And roof rack. So we got to do something there because we want to put a rooftop tent on this thing. I've got some big news coming out soon, and having a rooftop tent is going to be amazing for this news. So I can't wait to share that with you. I just need, it'll probably be the next video that I bring that to you guys. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful truck. Courtney and I are excited about it. Rex is excited about it because now he has a vehicle he can ride in. I'll show you the back. We've already done one mod. Actually, we've done 2 mods. One mod you're looking at, it has been ceramic coated. So we did that. And then in the back, and it's already getting late, so it's kind of hard to show you this, but we do have the Husky liner in the back of this so that when Rex is back here, he has somewhere that'll catch all his loose fur. And now that we know he loves the lake, he has somewhere to ride where he's not going to get the carpet all messy. It also came from the factory with all-purpose floor mats, all-weather floor mats, so they are the Toyota ones. The Toyota dealership that we bought it from hooked us up with those. That Toyota dealership was amazing to work with. I'll put the name down here. I just can't remember it, but those guys were great. We were in and out super quick. They are not paying me to say this. This is just honest opinion. Really, really appreciate those guys. My wife Courtney has wanted one of these for quite some time.
Definitely. I've been begging.
Begging?
Yeah.
What's the thing you're most excited to do in it?
I think just like taking it off-roading, exactly what it's made for. I'm really excited about like the trails and stuff, and just finding places to go be out in the middle of nowhere and have fun with it.
Yeah. What about you, Miss Shirley? What do you like about it the most?
I just like to just sit and relax and just have some fun inside the car. Like, Mommy, I want my dad to finish the video and go to Mustang09 and get the channel, click and subscribe, and do the videos so perfectly. And thumbs up.
Thank you. Hey, it's Sean from the future. I wanted to wait and film the inside of the car on a day where the sun was shining so you could see some of the cool features, the colors, and just to give you a really good idea of what the interior on this 2020 TRD Off Road Premium looks like. The first thing that I really do like is this 9-inch screen. This is an upgrade from the previous year models. I had an 8-inch screen, and this also includes Apple CarPlay. So it's nice to be able to plug our phones in, have our maps and all of our apps and everything we need, and we're good to go. So that's convenient. The other thing that I like is this, it's like a faux carbon on the center console down here. I think it looks really cool. The shifter also says TRD in leather on the top, which is specific to this model, I believe. On top of that, you can see the TRD and the headrests, along with the red stitching that goes on the headrest, the sides of the seats, and the door cards. It looks phenomenal. It's a nice touch. It's not over the top, not too much red inside of the car. I really do like sitting behind the steering wheel. It's nice and robust. It feels great. It's a leather steering wheel. It's taking some time to getting used to the buttons. There's quite a bit going on here, and it's all laid out kind of opposite of what my F-250 is. So this is taking some time to get used to. The car does have lane departure, and it also has, I guess it's like a proximity assist. So if you're in cruise control, you get too close to a car in front of you, it'll apply the brakes, I think. And it's also like pedestrian avoidance. So if somebody runs out in front of you, you won't hit them. I think I said the screen was my favorite part. I lied. My most favorite part of this car are these windows. These side windows are huge. So I can sit out here, my arm sits out here, it sits nice and high. I do like that the buttons are right here because it's easy to get to, but it's just a massive, massive window. Compared to the truck and everything, it just feels like it's super wide, which is really, really nice. I like that. Of course, you can't go wrong with the sunroof, moonroof, what have you. It's really nice. Just hold the button, slides back. Then we can just go forward. It's just this button here. But yeah, that's the inside of Courtney's 4Runner. I love it. It's super comfortable, like I said, but the suspension's a little floaty right now, so we've got to get that changed. It's kind of, you wave a whole lot. It does feel neat at first, and then you get on the highway and you're going really fast. Well, not really fast because this thing's not fast, but you get up to highway speeds and you start taking turns and the whole car kind of shifts and it's like, whoa. So aftermarket suspension will be going on because we got to fit those bigger tires and the new wheels, which you guys saw a teaser of. We're losing daylight quick. This one's gonna be a fast one. Thank you guys so much for sticking with the channel. I know the uploads haven't been super consistent. With the mods that we have for this thing, you can expect them a little quicker now because I'm itching to put these things on. But I wanted to film this introductory video before we went and did that because I wanted you to see it in the most stock form that we have it in right now. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Thank you guys so much. And as Shirley Bell said over there, make sure to like and subscribe, comment. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you boys back here next time. Take it easy. Peace.